In business analysis for automation, we use a visual requirements capture. So we're using process flows. We're creating pictures of the process and capturing the requirements of the current state process. We can see how the process flows, and then we can put the automation then into that process flow. So we go from what we call a current state map of how the process is done manually into what the process looks like with automation as part of it. It's creating automation on top of a process that already exists. So the work doesn't change, it's who does the work that changes. Business analysis for automation training is a 2-day course. We go through the entirety of everything that has to be done by a business analyst to get an automation from idea stage all the way up to it gets handed off to a developer to actually be created. So when you come into my class, you will get to see all of the documentation, we'll explain it to you, and then we'll give you a chance to actually work on it yourself and get some opportunity to practice with it. At the end of the course, on day 2, we end the class with a simulation. So you come into the class with a process from your organization, and then you're going to apply everything you learned in that previous day and a half. You're going to apply it to that process, and you're going to fill all that documentation. You're going to create a process map. You're going to find the automation opportunities and create that future state map. So when you walk out of business analysis for automation training, you're going to have the documentation in your hand for a new automation that you can then take right back to your company and get started on right away. Now you've got a workforce that's thinking about their jobs in different ways, and they're thinking about better ways to do their work, or maybe come up with new products, because they're not just hitting the same button all day long, their mind's engaged.